Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to reveal to you how you can delete your Sunsama workspace in 2026. So let's dive into this. So if you'd like to delete your workspace and close all the tasks and channels and contacts within your workspace on Sunsama app, you will need to access your workspace settings for that. So in the Sunsama application, guys, navigate to, let me show you how to do it. Navigate to the Sunsama icon or name in the top left, click into settings, and here navigate to workspace management. Confirm by clicking into delete workspace here. Confirm once again by clicking into this button. Now I'm not going to do this because, as you can see, workspaces that have already been removed get removed permanently. This action cannot be undone, and these workspaces will be unrecoverable. So guys, let me cancel it by clicking into back here. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.